Whoa.
Hey, flip his ear forward, Kevin, if you can. Okay, go. So apparently this is typical of him.
Oh my god.
It's very typical.
Get out of the shot.
It's typical.
Zach, I'm recording it right now.
This is actually pretty mild.
It's a lot worse than this.
Yeah, in my mom's room it's a lot worse. Wow, that sounded wrong.
God.
It's a puppy
I
that.
left $50 on Wonder Bread here.
Huh?
Wonder Bread.
In this one?
Yeah, I'm not going for a dark chocolate here. No, Wonder Bread's a racist, racist word. He's a white person, but something like that.
Toby's trying to flip himself. He can't flip himself.
Want dark chocolate?
There we go. Oh my god.
Wow, legal dog fighting.
This is awesome.
That's a first.
But you'd be illegal if you actually bet.
That's the title. Legal dog fighting.
Well, we're not betting on this.
No one. They're doing
it.
it.
He's choking him.
Oh my god.
Yeah, keep going. Now it's about to get good.
Is that Cooper? Is that Cooper growling?
Yeah.
What in the world? Sure. That's it?
He's going for the legs. Nope, not it.
No, they're not even close. That was just a warm up.
It's gone for like 7 minutes
So
or
they
something.
fight worse than this.
Yes, if we were in my mom's room, they'd be jumping all over stuff.
They'd be going all over the place and
Yeah.
beat the crap out of each other, huh?
Yeah, pretty much. I think they're having to
He
get.
got a hold of something. Well, he did. I think he had a hold of Toby's skin.
Toby uses front paws to push him off, though. Oh! He's launched himself at Cooper.
Tell me you're getting this.
I'm getting it. Look. I'm getting this.
Get him! Get him!
That's the title, is legal dog fighting. What the hell was that?
It's like that thing in the Fox and the Hound, only it's fun.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is, if we were in my mom's room, it'd be much worse.
What's wrong? You backing down?
Get up there!
That's what I thought. Toby, you backing down. You're a win. You start running. Cooper's waiting.
Oh!
Hold on, boy.
He was just waiting for him to lay down. And then to pounce on him.
Cooper's gonna knock his butt down.
There's no.
Toby's actually looks like he's a little bit smarter.
Watch.
He's gonna hop on
What's
Cooper.
up, buddy?
He's gonna hop on Cooper.
Wait.
Get him, Toby.
Toby.
Wait. I'll make sure he's not gonna pee on the couch.
There he goes again.
Oh.
I was like, oh, come on, I'm trying to scratch here. It's like, I'm trying to scratch here.
Nope, no licking the DVD.
Y'all just kill each other and get it over with.
No.
They're playing.
This is how dogs play. You're like, come on, I dare ya. I dare ya.
I'm the mighty worm. I'm the mighty hairy worm.
Marcus, that sounded so disgusting.
Oh, God.
You need to move
the camera shot. Get out of the battle area.
The entire room is the battle area.
They were both looking at me. Oh, there he goes for the leg.
Get out of the combat zone.
Toby always tries to go for Cooper's leg for some reason.
Oh my.
Oh, Lord.
Get him.
Oh yeah, they'll
Fight for my amusement.
oh yeah, they'll go for face.
They'll go for the face.
I see that.
Oh yeah, I think that one of them is actually. I think Cooper is actually choking him a little bit, or his paws
Hey,
around his neck.
what the heck? Get that clip out of his mouth.
I got the clip.
Are they done? Hey,
Look.
no.
Y'all gonna kill each other anymore?
I think.
Fine.
I think that they're finished for now.
Be that way. Be that way.
They're done for now. Hey!
God almighty, Toby.
There's all this crap on the floor.
Watch out the plastic bag right there. Get that up too. He's gonna get right there behind you.
Get
Get
the.
that before he tears it up or chokes on it. One.
Where's the remote?
I don't know.
Toby got a hold of it.
The dog.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes again.
Record.
Yeah, I am. I didn't stop. That's it.
Seriously,
Wow.
dudes.
Mighty Blackie beat Mighty White.
It's a draw.
I think they possess a unique respect for each other.
Wonder Bread,
To-
don't let dark chocolate beat you.
Toby.
Yo, Toby.
What's up?
Jesus.
Cooper.
Cooper. Hey.
Cooper attack. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Toby's going for it.
Wait, who's that? What's that?
I don't hear no growling.
Nope, I think they're done for now.
Wait, is he? No, he's trying to bite Cooper's tongue.
That's disgusting.
It's
that,
a stare.
Cooper's liable to unleash a buttload of whoop ass on him.
How long is this video going?
It's 7 minutes in.
Counting the other ones. Counting the other video.
What other video? I never stopped.
Oh. How much of actual fighting do we have?
7 minutes.